You'll notice on the Pfaff sewing machines, you get both metric and inches for seam allowances. You also get a seam guide included with this machine. Now to put this on the machine, there's a screw kind of right in between the post of the foot and the IDT. And if you loosen that, the seam guide will slide into the hole, and then you can set it for any distance you want to follow. So if you've measured out an inch, you can easily keep your fabric running right along the seam guide as you go. Now this is also good if you're working with a youngster sewing. This is a great confidence builder for them to start to work with nice, accurate seam allowances. Also too, if you're doing any machine quilting or you're sewing decorative stitches parallel to each other, all you need to do to get the second one done, you don't have to draw a line for each one. Just go ahead, notice that I've set the seam guide down on the fabric right over the top of my first line. Now I'm not watching the foot, I'm watching right here as the seam guide is following the line that I just sewed. It makes everything so much quicker and faster as you start to stitch. This is one of my helpful friends to make me look good when I stitch.